All right, everybody, so now we are going to drive down the road a little ways, and we are going to go to Twin Arrows, Arizona. It's another old abandoned rest stop from back in the day. There's a lot more buildings to it, too, so we're going to stop in there, get some footage, and hopefully see some really cool stuff. Stay tuned. Got to Twin Arrows, Arizona. Take a look. Oh, look, there's two arrows that look identical and they're right next to each other. I bet they're twins. Oh, I bet that's how the name was created. Ding-a-ding-a-ding. An old gas station. Can I get 20 on pump 2? That's so cool. I am a little hesitant because I am the only one here and lots of places for people to hide. But it's right next to a highway and there's a big casino right by. So I think we should be okay. Let's take a look. Oh, I bet that guy knows where all the toilet paper is. We'll kind of start our way from the front here, then we'll go to the back. My guess is this is probably like a little souvenir shop or something. Cool. I don't know too much about Twin Arrows compared to Two Guns, so I don't know when things shut down, but I'll try to do some research and I'll post it in the description below. Oh, they're out. Only got diesel. This is cool. Awesome. Should we go in? Yes or no? But we're going in anyway. This is cool. I don't know too much about this place, so just enjoy the views. I just really hope there's no one in here. Shelves. Yeah, someone's been living in here. I don't want to go too far into where I can't see who's coming or if there might be anyone else here. Next time I'll bring some friends with me so that way we can, strengthen in numbers. Now I'm kind of bummed. I really wish I knew a little bit more about this place so that way I could tell you guys along the way. One thing's for sure, we shouldn't be falling through. That's creepy. I'm sure people do this all the time though. It's probably where the waitress took orders. What do you have? Any TP? Any TP? Nope, no TP. Okay. We'll go back to Costco. Oh, this is so cool. Take a quick peek back here. Nothing much. That's like some Candyman stuff right up there. Like I say, we'll do a brief walkthrough just to make sure that we're the only ones here, and then I'll kind of go through a little deeper. Oh, the kitchen! We're gonna get a prime rib special, 2 sides and a beer for $14.99. This is cool. We'll go out through the back. This is awesome. Ooh, should we go in? Just kidding, we're not going down there. Probably wouldn't come back out. This is really cool. Old fence here. Still holding up. I bet back in the day this was just really happening. Cars everywhere, people taking their dogs out to let them run, get water, take a pool here and there. This is awesome. We got nothing like this back in Minnesota. For those of you gamers, doesn't this kind of look like that diner from Black Ops 2? This is cool. All right, we'll kind of go in a little further this time, now that I know there aren't too many other people here. Let's check it out. Ah, cool. Cigarettes, batteries, glass, magazines, probably shotgun shells. You guys finished in there? That's not creepy. I don't know what is. We're just gonna make our way out. Jesus. Ugh. Probably coronavirus galore up in here. I'm not gonna go that way because that looks like it's about to collapse. So we're just gonna find another way. Anybody need hangers? There's plenty of them. Find someone who will trace the lines of your scars and ask you to tell them all the stories behind how they made you beautiful. Aww. It's like a Lifetime television for women moment right there. All right, we're gonna go check out some of the buildings in the back. Where the drug dealers at? Anybody want to take a nap? Is there TP? Is there? Probably not. Old kitchen. Wow. I was gonna say someone need to be doing the dishes, but looks like they're already done. Is that Garfield? My guess is that's where the employees had cigarettes on their lunch break. Please don't be any fucking rattlesnakes. Cool. That looks fairly modern. Cool, cool, cool. The window. We'll check that one out next. Apache. This is so cool. Wow. Try where they put their dishes, their glasses. What's in here? Curiosity. It's probably a walk-in closet where girls hung their 5 million pairs of leggings and tube tops and spaghetti straps and jeans that squeeze your legs so tight, cut off your circulation. Oh, cool. Take a look at that. Oh my God, look what I just found. Anthony I, if you're watching this one's for you. I don't know how well you can see it on the camera. Smash that like button if Epstein didn't kill himself. Probably storage back here. Clothes, bed, the whole 9 yards. All right, let's take a look in here. Epstein didn't kill himself. Surfing. We'll make our way out the front here. It's crazy to think all these covers here, were they from back in the day? Or do people just dump shit here? I would assume they were from back in the day. I gotta do my research when I get home. Are you guys open? We're hungry. Want a burger, fries, chocolate shake, toilet paper? Dang it. Everyone's hoarding the toilet paper. It's not even in the abandoned buildings. My guess is this was the women's because the toilet seat kind of has some color to it. I don't know why that would make it the women's, just throwing it out there. This is so cool. This is Twin Arrows, Arizona. So cool. This just screams Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Bum, bum. Everybody get on the bus. Yeah, then the bus would just come in right here. Then you'd go down to the next one where you hit the mystery box. If you were lucky, you got it first, and everyone else just complained because you got it before they did. The one place, my ultimate place to explore, would be Chernobyl, if I could. And that's exactly what this place reminds me of. Only, you know, no radiation or mutilated animals or anything like that. Well, no crazy people, no Kyles, no Karens. Oh. Why litter? Sons of bitches. I'm no better because I'm not picking it up, but then again, it could have coronavirus, so I have a good excuse not to. We're gonna go check out these tanks over here. I imagine there's not a whole lot to see, but we're here. Might as well see as much as we can. Goodbye, old abandoned rest stop. We'll be back. Damn it, I just tripped over another freaking cactus. Oh, looks like it goes into the ground a little bit. This is interesting. This is, if there was ever going to be anyone out here, this is where they would be. Old ladder. Yeah, I ain't going down there. I mean, I could get up, I'm sure, but just don't want to. This is a real treat. I regret not getting out and walking around last time. Western Evil 666. This looks like a place where someone could get murdered at any second. We'll just walk around and take a look at it. Anybody recognize him? He looks like a bootleg Fonzie. Hey! Those arrows kind of remind me of that scene in Joe Dirt where he finds that guy, what's his name? Kickin' Wing! Kickin' Wing! Because I do believe he had those in the ground as well. But he just had snakes and sparklers. Where's the good stuff? You gotta have stuff that explodes, go boom! Well, these are the only ones that I like. Well, that might be the problem. It's not what you like, it's the consume.
A few inches later.
So we're just pulling up to the old Meteor City trading post that used to be active way back in the day. A lot of it's blocked off, so we can't go in, which is okay because this one, it looks a little sketchy. But we're gonna get out and explore what we can, nonetheless. So let's take a look. We're gonna walk around a little bit and take a look. Vandermarket coming soon. Pardon the dust while we're remodeling. Did they start or did they finish? This one's got fencing up, meant to keep people out, so I really don't think we're gonna go in. But, yep, posted. Ugh, shit, I tripped. No trespassing. They do have cameras out here, so we're not gonna go in anywhere. But we'll still walk around the perimeter, because that's not trespassing. I would love to see photos from when this place was active. Looks like it would have been a happening place. Looks like someone did the landscape in here. I'm gonna come back and start planting shit, like tomatoes and stuff. And they probably won't grow, because it's the desert. This is cool. Little art here. Maybe I should do my art here. Not even gonna try to go in. When you walk onto ground that says no trespassing, you're pretty much saying, I agree to be shot at, and I don't wanna put myself at risk. So, we can go in this teepee up here. I don't know how well you can hear me, but we're gonna check out this teepee because it looks like we can go in it. I guess there's a lot of old abandoned trading posts, gas stations, rest stops along the historic Route 66. Some you can go in, others you can't. There's a satellite back there. That's kind of cool. Should we go in the teepee? Yes or no? We're gonna go in anyway, because I want to. Hello? Anybody in here? Oh, this is cool. Probably fucking rattlesnakes in here. That's right, I can't swear, otherwise I'll get demonetized. Not that I'm monetized anyway. Oh, hey, there's an abandoned building. Let's just throw our trash in it because we can and everyone else does, so it makes it okay. Hello? Rami? I'm tempted to just pick all this stuff up, but I really don't want to. So that's one TP. We're gonna go check out the other ones down the road a little bit here, but I'm kind of bummed we can't go in. But like I say, no trespassing means no trespassing, and I don't want to get shot at. And there probably is someone that lives here too. I'm kind of half tempted to run through that. Knowing my luck though, I'd probably fall and people on the highway would pull over just to laugh. I wonder if, what's his name? Little Bear is in here. Anybody in here? Is it open? Can we come in? Whoa, this is cool. Not as much litter in here as there was the other one. A towel. Don't know why there'd be a towel in here. It's not like you can take a shower. This is cool. We're in a teepee. I can't wait to look up the history of this place and see when this was built. Seems pretty sturdy yet. You see that? I don't know what that is. Comment down below. It is locked. No trespassing today, boys. All right, now we've seen that one. We're gonna walk over to this one. I imagine it looks pretty much like that one, but you never know. We're gonna take a look at everything because we have the entire day. Anyone in here? Can we come in? We're selling Girl Scout cookies. Just kidding. Buggy was here. Thumbs up for Buggy. Highway is just right out there. These actually are holding up pretty well. Oh, yeah, as I say something. Cobwebs here and there. Ah! This is gnarly. A little bit of trash in here, not so much. I wonder if this was just playground equipment back in the day. Like nothing actually in here, just kids could come in here and play. That's what I would assume. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button as well. And hopefully I can do more of these. I gotta do some research and find some more abandoned buildings, but I'm sure in Arizona that's not gonna be difficult. I'm still gonna bring my drone and, you know, visit parks and creeks and waterfalls and rivers and things like that. But ever since I saw Two Guns, Arizona, on my last trip, I was like, I wanna do some more of this.